ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಎಂಬುದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಶಿಸ್ತು ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಓಂಕಾರಪ್ಪ ಎಚ್.ಎಸ್. ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಗರದ ಜಿಎಂಐಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಎಂ ಹಾಲಮ್ಮ ಪಿಯು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿಹಂಗಮ 2026 ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಿನಡಿ ನಡೆದ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಪಿಯು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ನಾವು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜಗತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಪೋಷಕರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸುವವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ. ನಾವು ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ನೀಡುವ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪುತ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂದರು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದರೂ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ನೆಲ ಮತ್ತು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು. ಇಂದಿನ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ದಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ರೂಪುಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಜೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್, ಎಸ್ ಶರತ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಆಶಾ ಸಿಎಸ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
In the central part of Karnataka, at present, we are going to reach international level within 1 or 2 years. Around 250 students in the year 2000, and now it is around 8,500 students who are studying in this institution. It's a great vision of G. Mallikarjunappa and our proud chairman G. Lingaraju sir. GM Lingaraju sir. Because for facilitating each and every moment, classrooms, laboratories, infrastructure, bus facilities, as well as placements, as per my knowledge, there are around more than 20 to 25,000 students since 2000 to 2026 they placed in reputed companies. Dear students, one man vision makes lot of changes around us. Only one man think that we want to build something that makes lot of changes in our country. So I stand before you to say some few words regarding your better future. And 10 years of experience in engineering, 5 years of experience in master degree students, and 3 years of experience for degree students. We have a wonderful, clear vision what could we must give to the students. What type of education, what type of skills our students must need. In order to go to the better level, along with your studies, you must have more discipline. Discipline in your way of approach, discipline with your fellow friends, and discipline about your day-to-day activities makes a lot of changes. Today I want to remember one important thing is Anant. Anant is my dearest student. Whenever he used to come with humble and respect. Sir, I want to do, sir. I want to do like this. And Mahesh used to come, I want to achieve NEET. And there are many students who are there to achieve their goal to the best of the best level. And I used to talk with my students whenever I wander near the corridor. If you read like this, you will easily achieve IAS. You will easily achieve KS. The more disciplined way of approach we in our college, every day our teachers work for the betterment of the students only. So for college there are
all the faculty who've been inspirational, motivational and a guiding force for all the students present in this hall. It's not an easy task to see to it that students come up with such fulfillment, such achievements, such laurels in a progress time of 2 years. As you bid farewell to the seniors, It's not that they are happy, but there is no other option. They need to progress in career and see to it that they build their career, because they're building it not for them, but for people who have had hopes for themselves and the parents who have made them come to this place. In fact, I would like to thank all those parents who have been motivation behind to see to it that you joined PUC in GM University. You know, today when they send children to this place, they put in their investment, they put in all their efforts to see to it that you study in one of the best colleges. And I think so the faculty who have been instrumental in guiding you through these achievements. I've seen the progress report when your faculty was reporting it. You're not only doing academically well, but you're also doing progressive in the extracurricular activities, the sports, which is very important for a student. Today, academic development is one part. The second part of the development is extracurricular, because that builds in motivation, that builds in teamship, and that brings in leadership qualities in you. I find that the journey is not easy, but it is always filled with thorns, but you need to achieve it. And this journey you will always accomplish when you go ahead in life. I would like to congratulate all those seniors who would be passing out from this college. You have to build in an institution for yourself and see to it that you support this institute as an alma mater. You are going to build an institution for yourself, because your parents should be proud of what you're doing. Till date, you will always be recognized as so-and-so's child, but from now on, when you build a career, you should be recognized and they should say that so-and-so's daughter's father is here. So that is where you will have the proud privilege of being a part of the educational institution. So today, if I'm there, earlier I was considered to be called by my father's name. They would say so-and-so's son is here. But today they say, when I go, they say he is his father. And I think so that's what I want you to grow to. Today you're building a career for yourself. You would be a motivational factor in this journey. And you need to understand that you need to follow the modes of ethics, discipline and decorum. This is a primary need for a student when he's growing and progressing. As I find that students have taken various streams, you have a lovely career ahead, and today the best part of India is we are a part of the Viksit Bharat. Today you will find that countries like EU and the US are looking at India not for its achievement, but for its progress and for its development. So people who would migrate to the US and the European countries have started refraining, and they said that this is a place where you can invest, grow and live a beautiful life. In fact, that is what India is progressing. Today, a lot of companies are investing in this country